In this video, I will show you how to get live FPL ID code. So for that, simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for Fantasy Premier League, then click on the URL. From here, make sure you log into your account. Once you log into your account, you can see this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. Click on it. And here you will be able to find points section or game week history tab. So simply click on it. And once you click on it, a separate page will open. Now at the top of your screen you can see this URL bar. Simply click on it. Then click on this pencil icon. So if your game week history tab is on, here you will find a unique set of numbers and simply copy that number and that will be your live FPL ID code. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.